Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. I'm just going to dive into Litecoin once again. Thank you for your support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. Thank you for your support on a daily basis, liking these videos, sharing these videos, and your subscription to the channel as well. Okay, thank you. So right now, Litecoin, it has broken out of this huge horizontal that it's been in. Okay, you've got these lower levels of support just there, and this level of resistance just there, and you coiled up into the apex. You've broken out, look, just there, and you fell back to its support, holding the 20 EMA. Boom, see you later. And you're now beginning to break out and you're starting to march onwards and upwards. So I do think you're looking for a full retracement to this high at the moment, but I do think that you're looking to get to this white line. Okay, you could get an overshoot to the 2 obviously up there, and then a 2.272, but for me, my minimal forecast, and it has been for a very long time right now, is $972 for Litecoin in this bull run. Okay, so that's my next impulsive wave target. So from here right now, you know, and I was telling you this all the way back down in these recent Litecoin videos, that's your target. Okay, and you're starting to put in the legwork, and you came up, you've broken out this beautiful double bottom, you come up, got overextended, and you fell back to the neckline of this double bottom as support, golden. Okay, so at that point, you know, refer to the videos I was saying, look, you're looking for a march up to the golden ratio, 1618, $972. You're looking at 571 upside for Litecoin. Okay, it's a bit of a laggard, it's sort of holding back, isn't it? You know, but it is breaking out. You know, it is breaking out. So for me, look, you've come up in wave 1 just there, you've had your wave 2, and this is your wave 3, that's your wave 4, and your wave 5 is taking you up to there somewhere. So what we've got to do is measure these wavelengths. Okay, so this wave 3 is always, it's not necessarily always, but it's you can see it's the extended wave, and usually you do only get one extended wave. Okay, so for me, your wave 5 could potentially be as long as 3. I mean, if it is, okay, if it is as long as wave 3, it is usually the second largest wave. That was 1,566%. So let's say a ballpark figure. Let's say it is the same length as wave 3. Okay, you could see that potentially that's where you could get up to the 2 at $1,646 for this particular project. Okay, moving forward, where it would be still the second largest wave, and not necessarily as large or as big as the third extended wave right there for Litecoin. Okay, so that could be a possibility, but my minimal target here is 972, which is 1618. Let's say it is as long as wave 1. Let's measure wave 1, for example. From there to there was wave 1, and we could see that was 552% right there. So let's go from this low, 552% up, and see where we can actually get to if our wave 5 is as long as wave 1. So 552% is roughly round about 552. Roughly round about there, isn't it? $676. So somewhere between the 1.272 and the 1414, if the wavelength of wave 5 is as long as wave 3. Okay, but wave 1, sorry, I do apologize. But don't forget, this here, this is the parabola, the mania stage of a bull run. So potentially you could look at it as being as long as wave 3, but I would imagine it would be at least the second largest wave, which is why I'm giving you the technical target of the 1618 minimal forecast for Litecoin in this bull run. Okay, so from here right now, that is a further appreciation of around about 239% to get to that target. Okay, which would see obviously it break this all-time high and go onwards and upwards, and basically in price discovery. Okay, so I will try and rechart this, but it's breaking out huge horizontal with upside. You know, you're breaking out the golden ratio just there. You were struggling under the 050. Okay, you were struggling under that. That was always synonymous with a dead cat bounce. You can see you escaped this level of resistance just there, this horizontal, and you actually whipped onto the golden ratio and came back down with that ABC correction that we put in September. Okay, everything went for the ABC, one last shakeout, and now we're looking for that sort of breakout move here. So, you know, Litecoin is starting to go a little bit vertical. I would imagine a level of resistance right now is a 786 at $308. So, you know, just like these fibs, look, you work through the fibs, you can see that you've melted through this golden ratio, you've melted through the 050 just there. Okay, you've not necessarily back tested it. So what I think might happen here for Litecoin, you might run into the 786 at $308, and then you might come down and rest on this golden ratio at 244, coil up, some kind of horizontal continuation pattern, ascending triangle, you know, bull pen or whatever, and then continue with the trend and breakout. So I would imagine that 786 is going to offer a kilo resistance of $308. Could be completely wrong, could just completely keep melting into space, but for me, you're working through the fibs. Okay, look, you're working through the fibs. Look, you come up here, resistance, came back for support on the 236, come back up, got back above the 382, start to coil up, you've melted through the 050, you've not necessarily tested that as support. If there was a whopping correction in the market, okay, a whopping correction, then for me, your two levels of support would be the golden ratio at 244 and then the 050 at 207 in this bull market for Litecoin. It's breaking out. It's doing really, really well. Key level resistance 308, and obviously you got the all-time high up there, key level resistance as well at 414. But I do envision that once you start to get through those levels of resistance, you're looking at the 1618 minimal for me in this bull market and $972 for Litecoin. Hope you enjoyed that update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.